Climate change has consequences for our oceans, weather, food source and our health. Ice sheets such as Greenland and Antarctica are melting. The extra water that once was held in glaciers have caused the sea levels to rise and spill out of the ocean, flooding coastal regions. Warmer temperature also make weather more extreme. This means not only flooding but frequent droughts too. These changes in weather poses challenges. Growing crops become difficult. The areas where plants and animals can live, shift, and water supplies are diminished. Climate change can directly affect people's health. In urban areas, the warmer atmosphere creates an environment that traps and increases the amount of smog. Smog contains ozone particles that increases at high temperatures. Exposure to smog can cause asthma, heart disease, and lung cancer. A lot of measures are in place to reduce the dependency on fossil fuels and increase green energy consumption, but we haven't much talked about concrete. Concrete is present in all man-made structures and have exceeded the weight of all living organisms in the earth. Cement is considered as the heart of concrete and it is responsible for nearly 8% of global carbon dioxide emission. Currently, Ecogen has developed mix design based on the strength requirements. Grade of concrete of M90, M60, M40 has been achieved. Cement and sand, which is replaced by GGBFS and PS ball when mixed with alkali solution, which is a mixture of sodium hydroxide and sodium silicate. GGBFS contains aluminosilicates. When the alkali solution is added, it transforms aluminosilicate to a 3D network which is bonded by covalent bonds. This is polymerization process, and that's why geo-polymer concrete is stronger than OPC concrete. Geo-polymer concrete has high strength both in tension and compression, corrosion resistant, alkaline and salts resistant, sulfur resistant, better waterproof ability than OPC concrete, heat resistant, better durability, reduces the carbon dioxide emission, mining dependency and greater lifespan, making it a better candidate for sewage and chemical concrete pipes, coastal area protections, roads and pavers, railway sleepers and much more applications. Ecogen is trying to change the world looks up on geopolymer concrete. We are currently focused on developing MVP for roads and pavers. Ecogen is the winner of Elevate Call 2 2019 organized by KBITS and Government of Karnataka and has secured grant amount to develop a geopolymer product and a pilot project. The project has completed Tranche 1 plan and the objectives were fulfilled. Optimizing the mix design and also finding optimum dosage of chemical. With initial mix of M90 grade, the GGBFS quantity was varied, keeping other raw materials same, and we got two mixes R3 and R9 and strength at 3 days and 7 days calculated. Then the PS ball quantity is changed and a mix R4 is tested for 3 and 7 days strength. Alkaline solution is reduced and mix R7 and R8 strengths are calculated. Then it was narrowed down to R9 mix and optimum mix is obtained with final dosages of chemical and retarders. This mix had a 3-day strength of 42.06 megapascals and 49.84 megapascals at 7 days. It is also calculated for split tensile strength and flexural strength, which we got around 2.23 megapascals and 3.11 megapascals. This date shows that the strength achievement of geopolymer concrete is 75% in 3 days, which the concrete takes 7 days for gaining 70% of the strength. Durability check for conducted, placing the GPC product immersed in the solution of 5% MgSO4 magnesium sulfate solution. And the following results were obtained. For 3 days of immersion, the strength obtained was 57.98 megapascals, 7 days it was 59.6 megapascals, 14 days and 28 days it was 59.2 megapascals. We know concrete will be replaced, but when?